Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones SONY WI-C310. You have to start by turn off your headphones. So just press and hold power button. Now press and hold power button and volume down button until you can see that LED is start flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on settings or information icon on your device and forget this device, forget device again. Now turn on your headphones again, so press and hold and wait for a light. Then click on your headphones to connect them, and that's it, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!